Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily customize and edit the header section in WordPress website. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, go back and open your WordPress dashboard, then go to and hit on home page, then go directly to edit site. Then it will take you directly to WordPress editor, or you can just go and open your website and hit on edit site. Then guys, I will show you how you can easily customize it by adding the logo and customize the title and also the navigation menu. Then guys, wait a few seconds to open the WordPress editor. Then guys, you can easily now customize your everything on WordPress website. Then first select and tap on WordPress dashboard. Then guys, go the WordPress account or WordPress website. Then in the header section guys, just double click guys, then it will take you directly to edit everything and customize also everything on WordPress header by adding the logo and title and also the navigation menu. And also will be able, I will show you how you can easily add the search bar on your header section on WordPress website. Then guys, first you need to add your logo by adding and select the logo. As you see guys, just add your logo, go directly to choose logo. Then guys, upload logo. Then we'll show you guys how you can easily customize and add the logo. Then guys, double click and hit and open. Then automatically the logo which will update it and add it on your WordPress headers. Then guys, go directly to that. If you want to customize it, like make it a circle or square or everything, I prefer to let the logo and the circle. Then go directly to the title. If you want to add, for example, title your name of website, for example, on your switch. Then guys, the tagline, if you want to add it or if you want to remove it, then make sure to customize the title. For example, then make it more bigger and customize it. If you want to drag it into your header section, then guys, make sure to select align text in center or in the left or right. Then guys, after customizing the title, go directly to navigation menu. Then guys, if you want to add some pages on navigation menu, just hit on add or plus icon. Then you need to, for example, blog, about. If you want to add a blog, for example, if you want to add the social link, or go back, for example, I will show you can easily add about section, this about page. Then automatically the about page, it will add it successfully. For example, if you want to add a blog, for example, page link, custom link, buttons, or social link, like this, just add social link, then automatically it will add it. Then guys, after customizing the navigation menu, if you want to drag it also in between which place, that if you want to change the place of navigation menu, then guys, go directly to block. Then go, if you want to remove one of this block, like this, then go to page link. For example, if you don't like these social icons, then hit on these three dots, then remove social icons. Then automatically you can easily customize and add or remove everything on your navigation menu. Then guys, after customizing the navigation menu, if you want to customize also the colors, the background colors, and sub menu overlay text, or for example the size medium or large or small, I prefer always using medium. The block sparing, the space between the blocks, for example, if you want to separate and make it separate more, then word grow and fixed or fit. Then guys, after customizing the navigation menu, just go back. I will show you how you can easily add your search bar or search bar into WordPress header. Then in the search bar, and then just go and hit on this the plus icon. Then for example, first the search bar, tap search bar again, and the search bar, tap search bar. Then automatically the search bar, it will updated and added into header section on WordPress. Then guys, after adding the search bar, I will show you can easily customize it. Then guys, on the top, if you want to add the search bar, for example, customize it with like welcome or if you want to remove it, just go directly to this toggle search label, then change it, and automatically it will not be able and appear again. Then guys, if you want to add it, just again hit on toggle, then it will appear. Then guys, go directly to change button position. If you want to button inside the search bar like this, or outside, or button only, then guys go directly to bloat the title like this. Then the last, if you want to remove it and delete it. Then guys, this is the easy method to customize the header section in WordPress website. Just go and hit on save, and again hit on save, then wait a few seconds to save your updated on WordPress. Just then guys, go back and open your site, then hit on reload the page, then wait a few seconds, then automatically your header section was edited and customized and changed successfully without using any application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.